Hey friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a tree. So this is the tree which I made. So let's get started to make. So first you need a square paper and should fold it like this. After folding we have to do like this to the side. So friends, we had folded it. So you can see here like this some lines. So you can cut it. Friends, we had finished cutting it. Now you can see we have got lines like this. So go back and take this part over here and fold it. See, I had folded it. So open it and you can see the down part do like this in the down part, and like you have to do like this. So friends, you can see I had folded. So next you can see we cut it like this, so we have to do like this. So I can see. So next you can see this over here. I have to fold it like this. Same inside. On the back side also I have to do. So friends, you have to fold it. So over here I can see a part like this. So I have to do like this. Same way on the other side. I'm just correcting it. This on the side. I'm taking scissors this part. So friends, you can see that we had got like this. In each side it should be 4. You have to count it, and in each side should be 4. Yeah, after friends, you have to got it like this. So take a scissors and cut it over here. Cut it only off. After cutting it off, go over here and make a line like this. Next, from this part, you have to cut it. So you have to take a pencil. Next you have to do like this. Small to big lines. This part I'm making. Same way on this side. So the line should draw. Same way on this side. Friends, you can see that I had cut in all the sides. After doing this, you have to take one layer and do like this. The same way on this side also. The same thing on the other side. So friends, you can see that I have made it. So you have to open all. Shut done. Over here should be 4. So now you can see friends, our Christmas tree has been ready.